y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Nyala. So today I'm doing this headband wig video. Headband wig is from Celie hair. They sent me this curly wig. I believe it's in the length 20 inches. Curly hair is shorter than regular straight hair, so that's what I believe this is. So I'm pretty sure you guys seen many videos of headband wigs, so I will be kind of speeding through, but the points where, you know, I need to talk, I will talk through it. But so I'm gonna show you the bag. So the wig came in this bag, and it says Celie hair, and it's so pretty. I love the color. Packaging is everything. Okay, and it came with a couple of goodies. So this is their logo, so Celie hair. You could check them out on their website, and everything will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure to go check that out. They also sent me this cute bonnet. I love it. It's so freaking cute. I love the gold. Period. You gotta look good when you're going to bed, okay? And they also sent me this edgy wrap. This edge wrap. I call it edgy wrap, but it's an edge wrap, and it says Celie hair on it also. So when you're like installing your wigs or something, you can put this on your edges. And yeah, so it's a nice edge wrap. Love that. They also sent me 2 wig caps, and it's like the nude color. So yeah, I have a wig cap on now. I like to use the black ones with like headband wigs, because I feel like with the nude lighter color you could see through kind of. So I don't know, I just like to use this with my headband wigs, and the nude with like regular lace wigs. And they also sent me some nice lashes, so these are very pretty. And they also sent me a headband to go with this one, and it's one headband. Oops, I can't even. And this is like this headband. This is how it looks. So it's very cute, very cute. So yeah, and I do have the wig. So this is the wig. I will hope to have the wig. This is the wig. Very pretty. I love the curls. I can't wait to like actually like curl it, like comb it out so it will look better. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna probably speed through it because you guys seen wig videos, I'm pretty sure. So in the points I need to talk, I will come back and talk. But yeah, so this is the Velcro that comes with the wig, and it's all the way around. And which makes it a headband is because it's no lace. So it is a lace shortage right now, so it's not a lot of lace being processed and stuff. So a lot of companies are making, instead of the lace in the front, they put a headband, well, like this Velcro kind of thing, and then you could wrap it around your head and Velcro it. And it also comes with 4 combs inside, sorry, so it could be extra secure on your head. So we are going to get to installing this video, and when I get to like the aftermath of doing my edges, I have my hair like braided down, so I probably have to pull some edges out, honestly. Okay, y'all, so I have the wig on my head. Like I said, it's very easy to install. I do like headband wigs for going out, like going running errands, just anything, just quick and easy, you know, it's just easy to throw on. I personally probably wouldn't wear it out, like if I'm going like out to eat or out to dinner, I wouldn't put this on. But just for like a daily use, probably even going to work, probably just easy to throw on. So I really love the headband wigs for that. But yeah, this is the natural texture. Like I said, it's this curly kind of texture. I am going to like finger comb it out so it could be a little bit more curly actually. And then I'm going to put some mousse and stuff in it. But yeah, this is how it is. And another thing about the headband wigs, you can put them up in a bun and stuff like that. So this is the back. And you can put it up in a bun. So I really like that. They're very versatile, so that's a good thing. So I got this headband wig from Sally Beauty, and I'm going to use this instead of the one they sent me, even though it's very, very similar. Like, it's actually very similar, but I seen this on a YouTuber's page and I really liked it. They're very similar though. Honestly, I didn't even need this, but I like how she had hers wrapped. So it's actually a whole like silk wrap for at night. So I have a new silk wrap for at night, which is cool. But I'm gonna just use this and put this over the headband part before I even get to curling. So you just want to make sure it's covering like the actual black part, which is the headband. So make sure it's covering that and tie it in the back a little bit. Knot it again. That don't look right. Okay, so yeah, this is how it's looking. I really like it. It's super cute. So right now I'm going to curl, well, take out like finger comb the curls out so it could look a little better. And I'm going to put some water, just any regular water on there, and a lot of body foam, which I don't have a lot of, and I'm gonna use my other mousse too because I don't have a lot, like barely any. I would have got some, but I didn't even know until I started filming this. So so this is the hair. I combed it out, finger combed it. It is huge, but it does look very natural, but it's too big for me, girl. I like curly hair, but this is too much. But I'm gonna put some, see, look, I love how you could just like switch sides with it, and it's so versatile. I love it. And then you can put it up in a bun like I told you guys. Let's see. And then this is the back, but this is the scarf because, you know, it's a it's a headscarf, so it's going to be longer. But you can put it in a bun or anything like that. So this is how the bun looks. So yeah, I am going to spray with some water and put some mousse on it so it could be a little bit more tamed. But it is very pretty like this though. If you do like that big kind of afro kind of look, it's very cute. So, and very natural looking. I love that. So yeah, I'm gonna put some spray and mousse and everything, and then we'll get to doing my edges, which aren't a lot out, but yeah, we'll get to doing my edges and then we'll be finished. So okay, y'all, so I did my edges and I use this new brush. I love it. It is from Celie Beauty as well. I just used it, so it just got messed up. I will put the links to the scarf and the brush in the description box. And the edge control I use is She Is Balm Edge Control and Murray's Edge Wax. I do mix them together now, and they lay my edges pretty good. I really love it. So yeah, this is the wig. I love how it looks. I love the curls. It looks so good, especially when you put the mousse and stuff on it. Very natural looking, like I said. Even when it was in like the natural state, just combed out, it looks so natural. So yeah, I really love this wig, y'all. So I can't wait to just, you know, wear it, just plop it on. I do want to get a couple more. I want a straight one and probably a loose wave kind of one. Like I said, I just want it for, you know, going to work, just easy to plop on, going out, you know, running errands, anything like that, just easy and quick. So yeah, this is the wig. This is how it looks from the back. I'm sorry about my black shirt. I didn't even think about it. And yeah, this is the back, and my scarf is in the back. So I really like how you could just flip it. Like I said, you put it in a bun, and I showed you guys how it looked in a bun. So yep, this is the wig. Thank you, Celie Hair, for sending me this bomb headband wig. And guys, make sure to check the description box for the link to the hair and all the links I've said in this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 1K. And yeah, share this with your friends and everybody. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it and enjoy the hair. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.